Hi, secondary one with Trig. Our lesson on today about elevation and depression angles, part number 1. In the first, we must know the difference of the meaning of the elevation and depression. In this picture, we have a dog here. Look to on the top of the tree to find the to see the or to look to a bird. To look a bird. First, we must know the horizontal line. The horizontal line here is the ground or sea level, the land or the sea level. It's parallel to the eye level of the dog. Eye level is always parallel to the land or sea level. Okay. Here, the line drawn from the eye dog to the bird on the top of the tree, and the horizontal line eye level, sorry, will contain a theta angle. This is elevation. We call the elevation angle because it looked to up. The dog here looked to up. Okay. Okay. And when we take the position of the bird here also have the eye level, but the eye level in the space. Okay, the eye level here, eye level and the line, eye level make a line parallel to the horizontal line again, and the line drawn from the eye of the bird to see the dog, this line, and the horizontal line or eye level line. Horizontal line here parallel to eye levels as we said before, and the between two eye level, and the line drawn from the eye of the bird to the dog contains theta. But here we haven't anything here. You need to close the shape. Then using parallel, when using parallel, we all the depression, angle of depression equal angle of elevation in this situation. Why we use this situation? When we draw a line to represent the tree here, it will be right angled triangle. It will be right angled triangle. Like this. Then when we use the angle of depression as we use the angle of elevation and we work inside the right angle triangle. Let's see some exercises. First one, a man found that the measure of the angle of elevation of the top of the tower. Man wants to find the top of the tower. Firstly, we must draw the horizontal line from the man to eye level, from the man to the base of the tower, and draw the line from the eye of the man to the top of the tower. And this angle is elevation angle. This angle will be the elevation angle. Okay, this angle will be equal 39 degree 21 minutes. Find the height of the tower. We take the exercise and draw a simple right angle triangle. This height or this line will be represent the tower. Okay, and this man was here, and this is the elevation angle which equals 39 degree 21 minutes. And we know that from the exercise 50 meters is the distance from the man to its base, from the man to the base of the tower, Then we have adjacent angle, the adjacent side of the angle. Then we can easily find the length of the height, or height of the tower, sorry, using tan or sine or cosine. But here we have the height here is opposite and 50 is adjacent. Okay, then tan theta equal height over 50, then height equal 50 times tan 39.21, then the height equal 60.98, approximately equal 61, sorry, 61 not 60, 61 not 60, okay, 61 meter. Okay, next, applications. From the top of the rock, 180 meters height from the sea level, the depression angle of the about 300 meters from the top. As we let a man on the top of the rock, when we take a depression angle, it will be unknown. The depression angle here is not unknown, but we know the length of the height of the rock 180, and the distance from the boat to the rock is 300 meter. What is a radian? What is the radian measure of the depression angle? To find it, the depression angle will be here. As we said before, we'll move it to as a elevation angle from the both side. It will be right angle triangle like next. Now we have the triangle. This is line represent the rock, and this is the position of the boat, and this is the unknown angle. To find it, we use tan, opposite over adjacent, 180 divided by 300. The measure of angle theta, it will be tan power negative 1 of the 180 over 300 equal in radian 0.54 rad. You can find it in degrees and convert it by multiplying by over 180, or you can put your calculator, as next will be shown that how to put your calculator on radian. Press shift mode and 4, shift mode and 4, then you will have chooses here as a 4 is a radian. Then you will work now with the radian degree measure without converting outside in papers. Okay, thank you.